everyone. This is Lily, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make your own sounds on TikTok. So if you just want to add your choice of music to TikTok so that you and others can enjoy them, definitely watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to go over exactly how you can do that. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, you must have a video with your audio. It might be a screen recording or a clip you downloaded. It could simply be anything. All you need is an MP4 clip that you can upload on TikTok. So the first thing is to have a clip featuring your music. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok app and then press on this plus button over here. Then tap on Upload and then choose the MP for video that you have. And this is my video, which I quickly created using copyright-free content. And it has the sound that I want linked to it. When you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran to no man. So click Next. The important thing to remember is to upload the clip with your desired music. So over here you can post this, and then wait a second until it's finished. So after you've posted it, exit out of the TikTok app, and then open it back up and then go over to your profile, and then select the video that you just posted with your music. And then select the sound button at the bottom right corner. And then over here, you'll see the original sound. You can then use this sound. You can customize the name of the sound. And also you can mark it as your favorites. I hope this helps. 0200. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out a lot. And also press that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. If you have any questions about all this, post them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.